Yo everyone, how's it going? It's me, your boy again. I am back with my second video on YouTube, so hope you guys enjoy my content. If you guys like it, please subscribe, like, and share it with your friends as well. So this is going to be our second analysis video on gold and how it's been going so far. And I know I'm a bit late. I was supposed to post it on Monday, but I was a little busy with some other stuff, and on top of that, oh boy, there's a lot of stuff to talk about. Um, Gold just broke my expectations. Yep, that's putting it lightly because gold just went up $200 since the last time I made my analysis video, and I mean, I don't even know what to say. So in the last video, I said that my bias was going to be bullish and that gold is going to go up, and hopefully we see those highs, all-time highs being taken out and probably see new all-time highs. And that's exactly what happened. But the thing is, I wasn't expecting it to happen that quick. I posted the video on Thursday before Asian session opened. So I was like, maybe in Thursday and Friday we won't see much movement, but maybe we can just like max to max see the highs getting taken out, and then we could see a potential reversal because that's what has been happening in gold, right? It was stuck in this consolidation for a long period of time in this box for around 5 months. So I'm glad the consolidation looks like it's breaking out finally, and we could be seeing a potential rally towards the upside. That's what I said in the last video as well. Uh, this is what I said. It was at 3395, and I drew these two levels near 3420 and stuff. And my God, we are so past those levels. Like we were over here, like those levels are around here. And I'm pretty sure this was the FVG. Oh, no, okay, not that one. Wait, where did it go? Oh, yeah, it was over here, I think. Oh yeah, this FVG. So I'm pretty sure I drew this FVG and said that gold was going to go up from here, and guess what? It absolutely did, and it went up around $200, 150 from here. So it's it's really good. Okay, anyways, so before discussing about what I'm projecting for the week, let's talk about my trades. Actually, I was trading live, but I didn't really get my trades recorded that well, especially this morning. Um so I wasn't able to trade on Monday. However, I was seeing the charts, but I didn't take any trades on Monday. But I did take two trades today, and both of them, my TPs were hit, right? So I'm going to show you the trades. Just wait a second. All right. So this was the trade that I took this morning when Asian session started. And yeah, this was a very simple pullback trade. I knew price was going to go down because um look, so what happened here? Yeah, I think around here. So yesterday, New York wasn't performing well. Price was consolidating heavily. You can see this. This is exactly where New York session started, and this was the New York session. It started and it ended up very messy and choppy. So I knew some move was going to happen. I slept after that, and when I woke up, this candle formed, this big one. So I knew a pullback was coming. I entered based off this FEG right here, and I put my SL above this high when it cleared this liquidity. So I placed it over here and I just let it run. And yeah, we hit TP over here. So, okay, I was actually going to partially take profits over here, but unfortunately, or maybe even fortunately, because price went up from here, but I, instead of taking partial profits, I booked my entire lot. So yeah, that was my TP, and it hit perfectly. And after this retracement, wow, yeah, I have no words. It went up so high. God damn. Okay, that's pretty good. And yeah, I took another trade which was a continuance trade as well. I entered over here based off 1 minute FEG. There was a FEG and 1 minute here, and I entered, placed my SL below this low, and boom. Okay, again the same thing happened. I misplaced my TP at this place. Um, I missed a couple numbers, I think, so I got stopped at around this point, but it rallied quite a lot. All right, so those were my two trades that I took today. All right, so let's talk about gold and what it's going to do. So I'll be honest, there's going to be no goals for now. Um, the problem is gold is at a high time, all-time high. So I don't even know where it's going to stop. It might reach 4K, it might reach 5K, or it might just reverse from a random point. But for now, we can just speculate and place our lines at these numbers at 3550 or 3600 or 3650, basically intervals of 50. And let's see if price reacts to that. And okay, I also wanted to say Dixie, right? Dollar index. So dollar index is actually going up, but gold is also going up. That means one thing, that gold is really, really strong right now. It is not following dollar's movement. It's not reacting to the news that it will react to news, but for now it's definitely not reacting to the way that dollar index is moving. So if dollar index falls from here, we will see a huge rally again, maybe to 3600. So let's see what happens. But gold is extremely bullish. I think it's because of um again tariffs and everything, because Trump imposed hefty tariffs on a lot of countries, and it's not good, right? It's definitely not good, and dollar weakened because of that, and gold supply is definitely less than the current demand, right? So that's why gold is going up. Let's see what happens with gold. I'm going to be trading longs this week mostly. If I see some good reversals, or if I see some good retracements with a very big black candle or something like that, then maybe shorts. But there's one thing for sure, that I'm definitely going to trade for longs, right? Even if I find small retracements, I'm not going to try to enter, because I'll get stopped. I'll definitely get stopped. Gold is looking very bullish right now. Let's see what happens at the end of this week. We do have some data reports coming on September 4th. Unemployment claims, this ISM services PMI, and non-farm employment change. So non-farm employment and unemployment claims are going to be really important. If the data is a little botched up, then maybe gold could react. But again, I'm definitely going to trade longs. Okay, so I'm definitely going to trade longs unless some report um, comes out against gold, which will cause gold to fall down. Except for that, we're going to trade gold for longs up until I don't even know. I don't even know. I can't be sure. We're at all-time high, and let's see how far gold can go. Wow, I'm actually surprised that gold reacted such in such a way. It already cleared all-time highs. Yep. So at the end of this week, I'm probably going to make another video. of a trade recap, or probably to say what gold is trying to do, because with the current pace of the market, I think it's mandatory to get updated every 2 to 3 days. So I will make a video on Friday. I am planning to make a video on Friday on what gold is going to do again. But for now, that's going to be it. Keep an eye on dollar index and gold whenever you're trading. And also, let's talk about GJ for a second. Uh, GJ had a very bad news. I mean, GBP had a very bad news, and because of that, GBP fell off quite a lot. And this move actually strengthened the dollar index quite a lot. But it's fine. It's fine. If you're only trading gold, then you don't have to worry about it. But if you guys were worried about what this move was, this was because of GBP's bond yields. So yeah, just wanted to make sure that you guys are up to date with that. And I'll catch you guys soon. You guys can tune into my streams and probably learn something new. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.